In this video, we will cover how to issue an RMA or a credit for a part on a past order or current work order. We will navigate to the sample fabricated part and we're going to issue an RMA for this part. So we will click on Orders and we will locate the customer's purchase order or our work order that we want to issue the RMA for. In this case, we're going to issue an RMA for this order down here that is closed and has already shipped. It's the customer PO 1212. So you can see the link here of RMA. If this link is not visible, the employee does not have the access rights to issue RMA. So we'll click on the RMA link and we'll see it'll give you the address to send the RMA to. If this is checked, FloorVisio will send this email to the customer. If it's not checked, you'll have to manually send the email through your email client. It asks for the reason for the RMA and what way you want the customer to ship the part back to you. You can edit these ship methods with the Edit button here. Then this RMA date will pick today's date. The customer purchase order line number, part number, description comes from the order when it was entered. You type in how many the customer has rejected. And you will click on Issue RMA. You'll see that it gives you a notification that the PDF file was created, the email was sent, and it attached the RMA to the email. And here is what the RMA looked like. We can see it tells them to ship it back the best way and to ship it back to our plant, our facility here. And we'll also notice now that when we go to the part, you'll get a notification saying the part now has a corrective action. We can also see the RMA down here in the quality area. When you create an RMA, it'll also put this part on the action request log. And so we can see the corrective actions for this part. And here is that RMA. We can click on it and complete that corrective action for the part to do a root cause analysis. So that's how to issue an RMA and a credit inside of FloorVisio.